guys, so I'm finally back from my holiday and I have got my package with $150 worth of silver in it. So I think we should open these coins and we should review them, and I will say my opinion on how they look. So this is the package. It's not a big one. It's from goldhome. They only work in Europe, so this will be interesting to open. I will just rip it apart. This is probably my invoice or something. Yes, I'm not gonna show this because it might have some sensitive information. So they put it in like a little bag as well, like a bubble wrap bag, and here are the rounds. The packaging didn't use this kind of like styrofoam last time, but I don't care about what kind of packaging they use as long as my things are well protected and not damaged. Okay, so here we have all of them, all of the coins. I will put this away, put this here, so it looks very great. Put this here, and so let's dig in. This is a 2023 Crew Grand from goldhome. Yes, this is a very nice coin. Is this like 37mm or 38mm? This might be 38mm, and this might be 37mm. The Vienna Philharmonics from Austria. This is also a very nice coin, but I don't like it. I wouldn't stack this, even though the premiums on it are very great. This might be 37mm. Yes, this might be 37, and this is 38, I believe. And these are 40.6mm. This has got some milk spots or what? I don't know. You tell me, guys. You guys tell me. Australian Kangaroo 2023 9999. As there's Queen Elizabeth on the other side of it. I think this coin has some milk spots on this side. I might have to contact them about this. Yeah, and this is my Britannia. This is hard to see because of the logo, but this is the 2024 Britannia with King Charles on the back. This doesn't have milk spots. So this is the current stack, like here. I will get some capsules for these, but so far they look very great, but I'm disappointed about my Kangaroo. It has milk spots. Those are milk spots on that. That's not a very great look, but I will link the website that I bought it from, because they have by far the best prices in Hungary and the Czech Republic. Maybe they ship to Slovakia too. So if you are in the EU, you should check that site out. So if you want to order cheap, very cheap silver, and because they are, I don't know how they are filing their taxes, but they are doing some tricks to make it cheaper for the buyer, and it's working for them because almost everything is sold out every time. So this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next one.